people double, triple, quadruple check to make sure medicines are in a safe and accurate dosage. So it's always a good idea to double check things, but when we find information about medication, it's very rarely written in a, you should take this, because it's meant to be for lots of different people. So we've got here this particular medication. The doctor says that this person should take 250 milligrams for this almost 20-pound baby. So it's a baby. And they need to take it every 8 hours. The manufacturer tells us that this 75 to 150 milligrams per kilogram per day, so we have a whole lot of stuff there, is an appropriate dose. So this is the way that the medications get listed by the manufacturer per day. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and figure out this prescription that the doctor gave. How much medication is that 20-pound infant taking in the day? So what we know, we want to wind up with something that says milligrams per kilogram. So I would really like to have whatever we set up be milligrams per kilogram. That's what we want our final answer to be. Well, I don't have all of those pieces of information. But what I do have is I have milligrams per pound, or I've got milligrams per baby. Because they want us to take 250 milligrams of the medication every 8 hours. So how much are they taking in a day?
250.
If they want us to take this every 8 hours?
No. We're taking,
How many per day?
75 to 150.
That's what the bottle says that. This is what the doctor prescribed. It's 250 milligrams per 8 hours.
19.8.
That's how much the baby weighs. Stop looking in the paragraph for it. Stop looking in the paragraph for it. It's not written in the paragraph.
You got to do the math.
If we know that they're taking 250 milligrams every 8 hours, you can either figure out how many 8 hours are in a day.
31.25.
Because we could also take the fact that there are 24 hours in one day. I could take my 250 times 24 over 8 times 1. Or we can realize that 24 and 8 are going to cancel out, and this is 250 times 3. So this doctor has prescribed this baby to take 750 milligrams per day as a total. We don't know what the milligrams per day is when it's told us as milligrams per kilogram per day. So we need to figure out how many kilograms this baby is. We don't even know anything about kilograms. We know about pounds. This is one of those times when we will give you some additional information. So if I want to switch this 19.8 pound infant, and I would like to convert that to be kilograms, we will give you some information we might need. Up here in this list up here, and I know that list is not in your book, but luckily it's only 4 things we're going to use. We are told that 1 pound is about 0.454 kilograms. So if I want to set this up as a ratio to be able to switch this to be kilograms, I want to know kilograms, so I'm going to put that in my numerator. We know pounds, so I'm going to put that down here so I can get these to cancel out.
They should make the NAPO universal. That would be so hard.
The what?
At Napa University, in Augusta.
I was gonna say, I'm sure they have something in California, in the Napa Valley.
Ooh. Miss B, what college you go to?
The virtual school.
Wait, you did virtual schooling?
Literally wearing the hoodie for it right now.
Western Global.
WGU, Western Governors University.
Governor.
My,
Miss B, how could you?
it was before the world shut down. It was before online learning was cool. Oh my
So,
gosh.
everyone's doing online learning?
Now everybody's doing online learning just to be like me.
Yeah, so I'm gonna use ChatGPT like Miss B.
So she's probably like, I built this brick by brick.
I was gonna say, you think I don't know how this online stuff happens?
I feel like you do.
Oh my
That's because I seen
god.
Brandon using ChatGPT a few times.
True.
He would be by far not the only one, judging by the sheer amount of times I saw some multi-syllable SAT words in some of these projects.
I'm sorry, that sugar kicked in.
Wait,
There was, I'm gonna say, I never said you did. I said there were some
you know, I didn't use
creatively
ChatGPT. I
edited
got
progress.
74.
So we have information about pounds and kilograms, and it's really frustrating to try and talk over 3 conversations, guys. We set these up as different ratios. It is my turn to talk.
She has a talking stick.
We're not gonna do talking. We are not actual kindergartners, though occasionally we do act like it. So we want to find how many kilograms this baby is. We know it's told to us up at the very, very top of my screen. I have it up here. 1 pound is the same thing as 0.454 kilograms.
Well, you're blowing my head off with all these kgs, mgs, pgs.
Welcome to unit conversions. We're going to have abbreviations for a whole bunch of stuff. We're not even to our abbreviatiest one of the day.
You just teleported like an Enderman.
So how many kilograms is this baby? What is 19.8 pounds converted to kilograms?
Oh my god, Miss B, my head.
I know. I'm horrifyingly cruel asking you to do a single set of multiplication. Oh my
Wait,
god.
hey, not too much. Watch me.
Mm.
Wait till I get.
I say all my calculators out. I can't even do it.
19.8
Times.
times 0.45. Wait.
Divided by 1.
Divided by 1.
Bro, I'm having like the worst day today.
8 point. Can we round this up to 9? It's 8.98. 8.9.
Let's go with 8.9.
8.9.
Kilograms.
I'm having the worst day.
Yeah! Woo!
Wait.
Touchdown.
What's up?
Adrian.
Not bad. Hold on. I got a system here.
You notice how I like low key though? I kept quiet.
Gimme.
for a good time?
It's not either. Yes, sir. Miss Virtual.
There you go. You forgot the multiplication sign.
Oh.
Yeah, in between the practice, I don't know what to do.
Oh, I thought that was like basic knowledge for this calculation.
It's not. It doesn't know if you mean like 2 and 2/3 or 2 times 2/3. So, yeah. So now I know how much medication's been prescribed to the baby. They're supposed to be taking 750 milligrams in the day, and they weigh 8.9 kilograms. So how many milligrams per kilogram? How will we set that up? Just 1 second. Yes, sir. Yeah, give me a second. If I want to know how many milligrams per kilogram, what information do we have? It's not on your phone.
Thank you.
If
Thank
Brandon
you.
was in there.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is not.
Katie died right in my face. Last game with the things. Yo, Brandon, is that a honey bun?
Brandon, you got a honey bun? Yo, break bread. 1 bite. Under, over, 1 bite. Under, over.
Me over or under?
Or over, under. Under.
This is what we want our answer to look like. If we have 750 milligrams,
Dirt don't matter, baby.
and I know they weigh 8.9 kilograms.
Is that right?
That's, wow, okay.
What does that simplify down to be?
It's about the motion.
Okay. Okay.
Back on that.
Yo, Adrian.
Why don't you let him do his work and you do yours? Because we got to do
I'll
this
go my
one.
way, go on.
Great.
You
'cause-
tasting that, Maddie? You tasting that, Maddie Martin?
Hey guys, back to you. Okay.
Alright, so then you do that conversion and then you get
Alright.
approximately
84.25, 27.
Mhm.
So 269 out of 27.
Oh, you should have put Sour Patch Kids on.
We'll go ahead and round it to 3.
It's so nasty.
And this is milligrams per kilogram for the day. We were looking at the whole day here. So
3.5.
is this a safe dose for the baby?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's right in that window.
Because why would we kill the baby? They didn't do nothing
They
yet.
won't do, like, I'm not saying that the doctor's going to do it on purpose. I'm saying all it takes is for him to accidentally say 750 milligrams per 8 hours. He can put the daily dose instead of an individual dose. They'll sometimes accidentally calculate it for the wrong weight, or they'll use the wrong decimal point. Mistakes happen, and doctors are human, and so we got to double check that, we're not expecting a robot when they're humans. I have genuinely no idea what you said. I can't hear you. Yeah, I can write your best
I feel my water.
when he comes back.
Come on, Laura.
Not at the same time.
No, like, absolutely quiet. We're going to prove up.
Absolutely
No,
not.
I actually want to prove
Miss B.
No, I do not trust
That's the
it.
problem. She don't trust us. She don't.
Ms. B, we're trying to prove a point, like, actually.
I would love.
We only. You see, we allow. We choose to be allowed.
I know.
No, like, actually make this a learning.
I'm not sending the 3 of you all out at the same time. I'm not supposed to send 2 people out at the same time. I stretch the rules anyway.
Please.
No.
Miss B.
It's an emergency.
Miss B.
It's an emergency. You can't turn it down. It's an emergency.
It is not an emergency to
I
refill your water bottle.
I like really have to use the bathroom. One of the Brennan.
It's
Then
an
I'm not gonna let.
Please.
I'm not-
Adrian, help!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's just gonna make it turn into a whole no pass period.
Yeah, Brennan, come sit back down, big boy.
I was gonna say if
That honey bar reminded me of you.
if we're gonna have that be the thing, it's just gonna wind up being no passes.
Buddy, bro.
Yeah, go ahead, open the door. Good boy.
Good boy. Close the door. Hey, close the door.
I feel like that's going over there now.
Why? I need.
We're not making good choices right now. So pass pad's gonna go
Are you
away.
kidding me?
No, I'm not. We got things to do. We've gotten through half of a problem in 15 minutes. We've gotten through one problem in 15 minutes.
Yes, go!
That was the first one on the page. So we figured out that yes, it was a safe dosage. Now we're gonna look at this next one. And you'll wonder why there may wind up being some consequences.
Alright, I'm ready. Alright, I'm sorry. I just had.
I'll believe that eventually,
I had
maybe.
Sour Patch Kids and they give me energy. You know,
Well, then maybe make a better choice next time.
you know, like a mushroom in Mario Kart.
Okay, guys.
We're gonna talk about farming now.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Yep.
Why?
And
Are we aura farming? Clip farming?
No,
Mat farming?
you are a landowner.
I'm a landowner of where?
You get an acre.
My name is Sutter.
You wouldn't get it. It's a book review.
Landowner.
I also read required books in high school.
No, stop.
Alright.
Yeah.
So this is talking about a 1 acre lot. What 1 acre or one 1 square mile is 640 acres. So it's giving us a lot of information here about this unit.
Alright.
You missed the lot.
You own an empty acre lot. What's that? Is that an I? Am I? What's that stand for?
This one up here,
Yeah.
that's miles.
miles.
640 acres is 1 square mile. Meaning if I had 1 mile this way and 1 mile this way, that would be 640 acres. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to figure out if our 1 acre lot, if I want to know how much,
So what would be the setup time for that?
I would love to tell you.
Oh, we're here. And you don't have to. You don't have to.
Unfortunately,
We're here.
the three of you are not the only people in here.
We technically are.
You're not.
If you're here, say I.
No.
I.
No.
Nice.
The whole point is to stop the noise.
If you're here, say nay. Nay.
We get the horses over here.
Apparently. All right. Horses on the farm. We are trying to figure out how many cubic inches of water fell on my lot with 1 inch of rainfall, which means I need to know the area of my farm in inches, because we're going to be working with inches. So right now I know I have 1 acre, but I would like that to be in inches. So if I have 1 acre,
1 inch.
and I want to switch that to be in square inches.
So you do 1.6 not wait 1 inch. So 2.54. We're using that.
That's converting inches to centimeters. So
Okay.
we're gonna need first how to get inches or acres into miles.
So what- is that? Yeah. That's just.
So 1 acre is this. So 1 mile square
Equals
is 640 acres. So I can get that word acre to cancel out. What's up? Let's say we got things to do, and honestly, I keep running out of time in this class because I'm writing so many passes. We're about to make this be a no pass class.
Guys, we
I
have
am
to stop taking
a
advantage
little tired of it.
passes. We have to stop taking advantage of Miss B's kindness to write passes. You guys don't need passes. Stay in class and do your work.
I got distracted by
Joe?
people welding on the ceiling that I-
Not helping, Joe. What?
I thought I did.
I am about to, not kidding, throw the, but I'm not even kidding that I am about to make this class be a no pass class. Like really,
I feel like we should
really
try it
close to that.
out. On a real note, I feel like we should try it out tomorrow.
I understand y'all are gonna have to try and make it in the passing period because I have written 15 passes in this class in the last 2 days.
Alright.
There's 20 people in here.
Are you for real?
I have written 15 passes for this period
15?
in the last 2 days.
2
Wait,
days?
You had 7 different.
I'm not kidding.
You had 7 different people, bro.
Wait,
I mean, it's like
today 3 people has gone.
But if you think about it, it's a constant rate of the same people, like the same.
Okay, yeah, Miss B.
And
It's literally the same people.
so go to the bathroom in passing period and stop interrupting the middle
You
of
hear that,
class.
guys?
I feel like we should get back to winning battles so you can spend.
I get that. And if we would actually do our work, we would have plenty of time. We could get this page done in 10 minutes.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's do it. Everyone.
Oh, we are so beyond that point. It's been almost 25.
Alright. We're quiet now, actually. I feel like we're making her too much.
So we've gotten our 1 acre switched to be a mile squared. We're still trying to aim towards inches. We have a little bit more information up here.
640.
1 mile equals 5280 feet.
Yep,
So we
1
can-
mile is 5,280 feet.
Can we plug that into? Well, we have to find out. We know how many feet is in a mile.
We do know how many feet's in a mile. So we know our 5,280 feet per mile. But do we need to cancel out miles?
No.
What do we need to cancel out?
The square?
It's like we need miles squared, right?
Yeah.
How do I make miles squared?
Oh, so you do that fraction times 1 mile, right?
Sure, I can have her next year. Okay. So if I want to be able to cancel out miles squared, option 1 is to just,
Can't you do it times 1 mile?
square it.
Oh, never mind. Technically.
Or I could times it by another mile. Like I could
It's the same
do this
thing, right?
again. Our 5,280
Is it the same
feet
thing?
per mile. That will get rid of both miles. Miles, the squared will cancel out with that one. That one will cancel out with that one. So that's going to give us square feet. It's going to take up a lot of space if I write it that way, so I am going to switch it to be R squared. And this is over feet squared. Still trying to get down to inches. What do we know about inches and feet? I'm trying to get to inches.
Feet go on your body.
True. More specific?
Who's at the door? Who's at the door?
Probably that girl that you ignore next door.
What do we know about the relationship between inches and feet? How many inches in a foot?
3.
How many inches are in a foot? Exactly.
12 inches in 1 foot. But if I need feet squared to cancel out, we're gonna square them.
Oh yeah.
I can square the
Yes,
inches, I can square the feet. Then my feet squared will cancel out. We're gonna be left with square inches. So I can take my 1 acre times 5,280 squared times 12 squared divided by 640, and that'll tell us how many square inches we have on our 1 acre farm.
So that's 5,280 times 12 divided by 1.
Ooh, 5,280 squared times 12 squared.
Okay. Times 12 squared
Divided by,
divided by 1.
so wait, what's on the bottom?
Divided by 640.
640. And that's going to give us our inches squared.
More like a snake. More like a snake. More like a snake.
Are you saying moo?
Yeah, move like
It says
this.
moo
Like this.
like a snake. That
What's
is,
your problem?
that's what I was assuming, but our diction was not particularly good. We have to get all of the letters out
What
from
sound
the
does a
middle of
lawnmower
the
make?
word.
What sound does a
I got
lawnmower make?
6 2.
Oh, I do believe it sounds like do your work.
6 2 7 2 6 4 up.
Yeah.
6 2 7 2 6 4 up.
6,272,640.
Acre
Inches
squared. Guys, are you guys paying attention?
So if 1 inch of water fell on my farm, so that's now our area of my farm.
Left or right?
1 inch of water fell on my farm. What's our volume gonna be? How do I switch area to volume? Because that's an area. That is a flat piece of paper.
So,
That is my farm is 6 million square inches.
that's not a
Wow.
bar. Like that.
Are you serious?
Now, okay, that's not the question. 1 inch of water fell on my farm. How many cubic inches is that?
What, inches and cubic inches? Where's the?
So square inches in my area. How do I switch it to be volume?
Times the volume, right?
Times the height, right?
The height.
Oh,
Because
this
we had
is
our
geometry.
length times our width times our height.
Height.
So we now have our area, our square inches. If 1 inch of water falls, what's our volume?
Height squared.
Our height is 1 inch.
Okay.
So our area, I'm gonna give us a little more space, just come out of space.
Oh.
This is our area, our length times width.
Oh,
This
you
is
said-
our
I'm
height.
tripping. You said 1 inch of height.
1 inch of height.
Yep, got
So
it.
our volume will be that 6,272,640
Over 1 or times 1?
times.
Times 1. Okay.
Inches what?
Squared. Inches.
Inches, I would say inches squared times inches gives us inches cubed. So it's a really big number and kind of obnoxious to work with.
How many?
How many cubic feet? So then how do we switch our 6,270,640 72,640 inches cubed into feet. How do I get cubic feet?
I forgot that. Converted.
If, let's say, because we're trying to get
I'll say divided
feet
by 12.
instead, inches. If I know 1 foot is 12 inches. I see we're getting that. Is dividing by 12 going to get rid of all of the inches?
Yes, it's gonna take all the inches.
Because what I have is I have inches and I have cubic inches. So are these the exact same? Inches and cubic inches?
Yes. No,
Sick.
no, cubic is yeah. They not like a.
Here. This is me handing you a cube, right? I'm handing you a cube. Here's an inch. Here, cubic inch, right?
Oh yes, sir.
Same thing? Or do I need 3 dimensions to make a cube? Cubic inch.
That's 2.
That's 1 inch. If I need 2 dimensions, that would be our area. That'd be a post-it note. If I need a whole cube, how many times do I need to multiply by itself? Because this is only going to get 1 set of inches to cancel out. I need cubic inches, which means that's going to give us cubic feet. I have to cube both of
Yeah.
these. If I want to get cubic inches to cancel out, I need to cube all of them. So what we're going to do in order to simplify this out, I need to take,
I was about to say, I thought we can cancel the inches out, but we can't.
once we get it cubed, we can.
Okay.
So we're going to have our 6,272,640 divided by 12 cubed. And that's going to give us cubic feet. So what do we get when we divide our 6,272,640 by 12 cubed?
You want to?
You know that I man want to.
Oh, trust me, I can see what's happening. How many cubic feet?
Yep, what he said.
It's not going to be that. Make sure we're cubing the 12.
Over.
12 cubed, 12 to the third.
We just
3,630.
We should get
Got
3,600.
it. Touchdown.
Dio said. She can call me baby booty.
When we are trying to cancel out more than once, so whether we're dealing with volume or with area, we've got to make sure we have the same exponent. I can't use straight miles to cancel out miles. I need miles squared. Just like I can't use inches to cancel out inches cubed, I need cubic inches. So we have to have the exact same unit to be able to cancel them out. So we got 3,630 cubic feet of water fell on our farm. And this is one of those kinds of problems that actually will be used in like engineering and structural components, because 1 inch of water, that's not much, right? Like we said, 1 inch of rain fell, we'd be like, oh yeah, it was a little bit of rain. How much
What are we-
did that 1 inch of rain weigh
62 pounds.
per
Cubic foot.
cubic foot?
So
We had
are
how many cubic feet
Can we multiply that by 62?
to find out how many pounds?
How many pounds it weighs? Can we do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna do 3630 times 62 to get how much each cubic foot of water weighs per pound.
Ooh, careful. We already know how much each cubic foot weighs. Each cubic foot weighs 62. So 3630 cubic feet,
Cubic feet.
and we know that
Each cubic foot weighs 62 pounds.
1 cubic foot is 62 pounds. And if we set it up like our ratios, that's how we can see whether we multiply or divide.
Yep.
Because I need my feet cubed to cancel out, so we're going to be left with just pounds.
So now we're just going to add 10.
So for our whole rainfall that fell on this acre,
225,060.
225,060 pounds of water. So 1 inch of rain onto
Wait.
1 acre, which is honestly not a super big plot of land.
Wait, 225,060.
About 4 houses with a normal size yard is about an acre.
That's a lot of weight.
That's a lot of weight. Imagine that falling on like a bridge,
Collapse.
on top of a building.
Collapse.
Our school, more than an acre.
Not talking about Brennan, though.
Our school is probably more than an acre in area.
Roof area is.
Our roof area, yeah, it's more than an might be. I've never calculated it. But so this kind of calculation will happen all the time in buildings, in accident analysis, engineering, how to build stuff, because they have to be able to withstand these forces. That was 1 inch of rain. That much. We've had rainstorms that got 6 and more inches. So let's figure out how many gallons we had there, because that's a more common unit that we think of with water. 1 gallon of water is about 8.3 pounds. So how could we figure out?
Don't we got to add in gallons now?
We can take our pounds and take it to gallons.
Not add, but you know.
Right. We're going to work those in. So if I know we have 225,060 pounds, and I know that each gallon, 1 gallon of water is about 8.3 pounds, how can I set that up?
We're gonna put we're gonna do that times.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put gallon on top and pounds on the bottom so that they can cross out.
So that my pounds can cancel out. And I know that 1 gallon is 8.3 pounds. That way our word pounds will cancel out.
And we can just divide.
And we can divide. Setting these up as ratios makes it a whole lot easier to tell which ones multiply and which ones divide. Because otherwise, when we're looking especially at one like this or one like this, we're going, and doing a coin flip. So setting them up as ratios helps us keep track of which ones multiply and which ones divide. Because it really depends on how things are moving.
271,015.7.
27115.6. So 27,115.6
That's a lot of pressure on the farm.
gallons. And it doesn't have to be a farm that catches that. Buildings that catch 1 inch of rain that are an acre will catch that same weight.
Yeah, I will say farm.
Yeah. But that's one of those things that we don't necessarily think about when we're talking about like, oh, I'll just go build a treehouse. And
Is that a comma after the 7?
yes,
Also, it's 27.
it's 27,000. Boop. Just because. Wrong pen. That one.
Oh, it's 0.6.
That's what I have.
I got 0.7. Which it was just 662.
6. Yes. Yeah. You could take the 6 to a 7.
6.7.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, buddy, you good, bud?
Based on my rounding.
Got that gas money on me?
Okay, so when we're doing these unit conversions, it's really, really important. We have to have the same unit to cancel out. So if I want to cancel out square miles, I need to square my miles. If I am keeping track of my ratios, it's a whole lot easier to get our correct unit that we want to have. Writing them as ratios is very, very, very helpful. Okay.
Is that all we're doing?
We don't have time to do the next one because that one we would have to do seconds to minutes to hours to days to years to then do light year.
All right, guys, from now on.
So we didn't get through the whole page
Like games.
because we playing games
Play games.
and not getting started and not doing what we need. I'm okay with us goofing around and having a little fun as long as we do what we need to do, and we've gotten to the point where we're not doing what we need to do anymore.
Go ahead, step in that class.
We are chatting and goofing.
Miss B just
We got 4 full weeks left in the semester.
next person that asks to leave the class, just
Just write them up. Boom. Just write. Put that. Lay that wood.
No.